Hello everybody and welcome back to Maths Miss Buick. In this video we're focusing on finding the quotients of complex numbers in polar form. So here is our rule. Z1 divided by Z2 is equal to R1 divided by R2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2 plus I sine theta 1 minus theta 2. So what we can deduce from this rule here is that to find the quotient of a complex number, we simply divide the moduluses and we subtract the arguments. So let's look at this example here. We have Z1 is 4 cos 3 pi over 4 plus I sine 3 pi over 4. And Z2 is 2 cos pi over 4 plus I sine pi over 4. So let's begin the question by firstly dividing our moduluses. So R1 is equal to 4 and R2 is equal to 2 over here. So that implies R1 divided by R2 will be 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So that's the first part. And we'll put this 2 in up here into our formula in a moment. And now let's find out what is theta 1 and theta 2. So theta 1 we can see is 3 pi over 4. So there we have it. And our theta 2, we can see is over here, so it's pi over 4. So let's take them away. So theta 1 minus theta 2 will be equal to 3 pi over 4 minus pi over 4, which of course is 2 pi over 4. And we can see that 2 divides into the top and the bottom once, so we've got pi over 2. So the two values we're inputting into our formula above here is 2, because that is R1 divided by R2, and then pi over 2 because that is theta 1 minus theta 2. So let's write out our answer here. So we can see here that R1 divided by R2 is 2 cos, or theta 1 minus theta 2 is pi over 2 pi over 2. So here is the answer to our question above here when we wanted to find out what was Z1 divided by Z2, so getting the quotients of complex numbers in polar form.